hello, after so long, but I got a perspective right now, and I'm just like, I want to share it with you all because it's so liberating. Just let me tell you. So other day I was talking to my friend, one of my friend, and jab I have to advise myself I am not that good, but when I have to advise other people, I'm so good. And through that conversation I also get like, okay, this is what I can do, this is the perspective I need to look from in my life as well. So the conversation was, she was just confused about how to move forward with life, what is right, how to do it. She was confused, just that. Okay, she's like, but what if this happens, what if but other people are doing this and I don't know how to do it. um, what what path I am in, is that the right one to take, or how to be, just all conversation was all about lacking self trust and confidence in your own path. So how to do it right, I just told her, and ये मेरे को organically उस time पे आया, and I was also mind blown because this is so true. So in life there are like 8 billion people on earth. So there is not like, okay, this is the life path and if 8 billion people has to follow this and this path will lead to success. It's not like that. In earth, if there are 8 billion people, then it means there are 8 billion ways also leading to success, and there are 8 billion life paths. Like, you don't have to copy something, or you don't have to, and because of that also, then timings come up, age, like, okay, this is the right timing, should have been done by this age. Nothing, because there are, simple as that there has to be 8 billion ways leading to success. Find your own path. That's it. And that's it, really. And by this conversation, it also like made me realize that, okay, I also need to calm down in my life, and it was a great perspective. So I thought, just why not to share this, because, and by this information, you will get to like, you will gain the self trust and confidence, and these two things go hand in hand while pursuing your career or anything, and also patience, because this, the path will be very true to you, very unique to you, and it will be like nothing close to that has been done in the past. It will be not like that. It will be like just unique, new, because there has to be 8 billion ways, and there is, सबका बहुत different होता है, सबका बहुत अलग unique होता है in their own way. And yeah, you don't need to copy anything. So yeah, that's it. 3 minutes of your time, but I hope I helped you. But see you in my next one. Yeah, and I'm Ritika Gupta, by the way. Yeah.